I'm very fortunate to live where I do, right out in the countryside, so it's easy for me to go for a walk. But for many people, coronavirus and lockdown means a lack of opportunity to exercise. There are a number of solutions coming onto the market now which help to overcome that problem in an affordable way, and they're solutions which can be used by people of all ages and for many different medical conditions as well. So I'm going to demonstrate one or two examples to you together with their applications. The first of these is this device that's sat on the table in front of me. It's like an exercise bike which has pedals. It has a display that shows me how many calories I'm burning, how far I'm pedaling, etc. But the really nice thing about devices like this, and there are quite a number on the market now, is that you can link them to a number of different applications that help to make exercise extremely enjoyable. So I'm going to show you a few examples of those using this device either on a little table in front of me, as you can see now, or again I'll show you as a floor mounted device and the equivalent of an exercise bike.
Shift to 13% resistance.
Okay, it is now tracking me. One of the things that you'll notice about these applications is that the quality of the video and the experience very much depends on the speed of your internet connection. So what you'll see in this example is that the video picture is a little bit pixelated simply because the internet connection here is via my mobile phone. But I am seeing on my mobile phone the speed that I'm going at, and it's also recording my physical activity at the same time as it's being recorded on the screen. So this is one example of it being used as a tabletop device, and of course it doesn't matter how old you are, you can set something like this up in a home environment in front of the television and give people an opportunity to be able to exercise in the comfort of their home room. So that is Kinomap with the device on the tabletop. So my device, I'm going to begin pedaling to connect the device.
Shift to 43% resistance.
So now I am on my way and I'm cycling up Mont Ventoux, and it's a road that is a little bit familiar to me because I've been on quite a number of different holidays in Provence, and on one occasion I did actually watch the Tour de France go through the little village of Bédoin, which is very close to Mont Ventoux, and all the cyclists go through Bédoin on the way to Mont Ventoux. This was actually a video that was recorded by a cyclist, so I'm actually using a live video by someone within the community, and instead of having the tabletop device, I'm actually using the device on the floor, and it allows me to alter my speed up a little bit and slow down. And it all uses a video that's been provided by a member of the community. It is also possible to create your own maps using Google Maps, and that's probably one of the most exciting things about these devices and these applications, is that you're not limited to something that someone else created. You can basically choose to exercise really anywhere in the world. So that's the Kinomap app combined with a little floor mounted exercise bike.